Transform your outdoor space, the basics of backyard renovation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of you have shown interest in: backyard renovation. Whether you're looking to create a peaceful retreat or a vibrant space for entertaining, renovating your backyard can significantly enhance your living experience. Let's explore what backyard renovation involves and how you can embark on this transformative journey. Backyard renovation refers to the process of transforming an outdoor space behind a house to improve its appearance, functionality, or both. This can range from simple projects like planting a garden or installing new lighting, to more complex undertakings such as building a deck, patio, or even a swimming pool. The goal is to create an outdoor space that reflects your personal style and meets your needs. Key components of a backyard renovation. Landscaping. This involves planning and laying out plants, trees, and shrubs to create a visually appealing space. Hardscaping. This includes the addition of non-living features like stones, bricks, and concrete to create walkways, walls, or other structures. Outdoor living spaces. Think about decks, patios, outdoor kitchens, or fire pits that enhance the comfort and usability of your backyard. Lighting. Proper lighting can transform your backyard into a welcoming space after dark, highlighting key features and improving safety. Before you start your renovation, it's crucial to have a clear plan in place. This involves several important steps. 1. Define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your renovation? Are you looking for a space to entertain, relax, or perhaps grow your own food? 2. Set a budget. Knowing how much you can afford to spend will guide your decisions throughout the renovation process. 3. Design your space. Consider hiring a professional designer if your project is complex. Otherwise, there are many online tools that can help you visualize your ideas. 4. Research and choose materials. Select materials that not only look good but are also durable and suitable for your climate. 5. Understand legal requirements. Check local zoning laws and obtain any necessary permits before you begin work. With a solid plan in place, you're ready to start your backyard transformation. Here are some tips to help ensure a smooth process. Hire professionals for complex tasks. For electrical work, plumbing, or large constructions, it's best to hire experienced professionals. DIY smaller projects. Simple tasks like planting flowers, installing small fixtures, or painting can be done on your own to save money. Phase your project. If budget is a concern, consider completing your renovation in stages rather than all at once. Regular maintenance. After your renovation is complete, regular upkeep is essential to keep your backyard looking its best. Renovating your backyard can be a rewarding project that not only enhances the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space but also increases the value of your home. Whether you're crafting a cozy nook for relaxation or a lively area for gatherings, the key to a successful renovation is careful planning and execution. We hope this video has inspired you to start thinking about your own backyard renovation project. Remember, the space of your dreams is within reach. It just takes a bit of creativity and effort. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on transforming your home and garden. Happy renovating!